Hey guys, hello and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial by PSD World. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create long shadows for texts. So let's get started. Click on File and click on New. Let's create a 1920 by 1080 pixel document. Create a new layer. On this layer, I will create a background. Select the gradient tool, click on the gradient and click on the radial gradient. We will draw the gradient from the top to the bottom as shown. When you draw the gradient, you will see that there is a light coming from the top of the document. Now let's select the text tool. Here I have used font Gotham and style medium and color white. I will just type a word, say Gotham. Click on the characters panel. I have set the tracking distance of the characters to around 200 points. That's why they are so much apart. Let's move this text in the center of the document. Right click on the Gotham layer and click on duplicate layer. This will create a copy of the text. Check off the Gotham copy layer, click on the Gotham text layer, select all the characters and set its color to black. Right click on the Gotham layer and click on rasterize type. Now check on the Gotham copy layer. Now here is the main thing. With the Gotham layer selected and the move tool selected, click on the keyboard once the down arrow key and the right arrow key. You will see a small black shadow appearing. Duplicate this Gotham layer and again do the same thing. Once click the down arrow key and then the right arrow key. Similarly, duplicate this layer and again do the same thing. Once click the down arrow key and then the right arrow key. Duplicate this few more times and you will be having a hard long shadow effect. Although the light in our document is coming from the top, but for the sake of understanding, I have created a 45-degree angle. Select all the layers and click on merge layers. Our hard shadow is ready. But just to make it soft, let's duplicate this layer by right click and click on duplicate layer and check off one of the layers. Now go to filter, blur and motion blur. Set the angle to -45 degrees and distance to around 35 pixels and press OK. Set the opacity of this layer to around 40%. You will see that our shadow has become soft. Now let's add a layer mask to this layer. Using a soft brush, with the layer mask selected and the foreground color set to black, we will paint on the layer mask as shown. By painting on the layer mask with a black foreground color, I am just hiding some portions of the shadow, just to make it look like a real shadow. Here I have given a 45-degree angle to our shadow. You can use the arrow keys. If you use the down arrow key, it will be a 90-degree angle, and if you use the down arrow key along with right arrow key, it will be 135-degree angle. The choice is yours. So I will just hide some of the shadows which we don't want. I will just paint on the layer mask with black foreground color. In one of my previous video, I have shown how to create long shadow icons. It is a different method, but it is also useful sometimes when you are creating single letter texts. So our long shadow text is ready. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please give this method a try and let me know what you think in the comment box below. Also like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Google+, Pinterest. Also support my work on patreon.com. For more videos related to Photoshop, visit my YouTube channel and make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with my future content. Take care guys.